A ruling that has people who are not U.S. citizens rushing to try to get driver's licenses. Channel 2's Ross Cavett is live in Cobb County, where the state is saying not so fast, folks. Ross?
Well, that's right. The state says nothing's changed, but there was this court order that ordered two people to get their driver's license. Even after this order forced the DDS to give Rosa Villegas a license. She's a non-citizen here on a work permit. She said she came to this facility in Cobb County and was again denied. She had to go to DDS headquarters to get her license.
She felt a little sad about the situation. She also got anxiety attacks from it, and she felt a little depressed.
Teresa Rico told us when her mother lost her license, it affected the entire household. Rosa Villegas had a license, but at renewal time, driver services denied her, saying she could not provide proof of lawful immigration status.
Having to deal with going back and forth to the DDS and getting denied every time you go.
Villegas lives in Powder Springs, uses a work permit to work in construction. She now has her license after a Fulton County judge ruled driver services illegally denied her renewal. Her lawyer says the judge ruled federal law defines who should be eligible for a license.
DDS was trying to, well, in an illegal sense, giving themselves the authority to make those decisions, which, they're not allowed to do.
The ruling only applies to the two people in the Fulton case, but Villegas hopes it encourages driver services to allow others in a similar situation to finally get their license.
If we got a work permit, to work here in the U.S., how do you expect us to work? How are we supposed to drive ourselves back and forth without a license? So, just think about that a little bit.
Well, DDS sent us a statement today saying as far as they're concerned, nothing has changed in the way they issue licenses. And this ruling only affects two people. So what's the big deal? Well, the lawyers say they filed essentially the same complaint in a federal court in a class action status. And if that succeeds, it will force DDS to open the doors to other non-citizens in the same situation. We're live in Cobb County. Ross Cavett, Channel